Chip, hi, hello.
Hello, Chip. Good morning. Thank you.
Sige.
Oh, chef making pandesal.
Oh, dito. Ilang tray lang? Okay.
Thank you. Always lang maraming ito. Bilis nyo. Ha? Thank you. Sabi ko na sa akin. Yeah.
Ano po yun, chef? Ha? Soft roll. Dinner roll. Okay. Muffin, ano? Ano yan?
Cupcake.
Cupcake. Okay. Vanilla cupcake. Focaccia bread.
May balik pa rin nga.
Vanilla spice.
Vanilla sponge.
Carrot cake, kawan, brownish.
Ah, okay. Right. Brownie.
Anong ulit yun yung isa? Kit? Ha? Kit?
Baguette. Ah, Prince bread.
Bread.
Ah, okay.
Tapos ribbon.
Ah, okay.
Binilo roll bread. Pula-pula.
Mula-mula. Ayon rolls. Dinis ko. Black bread rolls. Yun.
Saan lang din?
Oh.
Ilang minutes yan?
Come to our training. Oh, my day. Opo.
Ano yun? Titira? Yung susunod namin. City, ano mo nga
Shepherd's pie. Cottage pie.
Cottage pie.
Okay.
Cottage pie.
Cottage pie. Shrimp cocktail.
Cookies.
Cookies.
Oatmeal pala, oatmeal.
Oatmeal cookies. Pinakamalakas na training. Ayan, chef.
Last na.
Anong bike?
Quick Lorraine.
Lorin. Ay, bigod.
Kaya pa bumagsak na.
Mga 20.
Welsh Rabbit po.
Ha?
Welsh Rabbit.
Okay. Ayos.
Yes, sir.
Chef.
Yan, ano. Yan yung server namin, si Chip Meneses. Yan yung ano namin, si Chef Carl. George K. Galing mo talaga. Yan si Sir Leo. Yan yung maging tabilingkok ng Mercs.
Pinakamalakas.
Oo. Ang Grace.
Okay. Ito na.
Yung sa gilid yung tatanggalin niya.
Tanggalin na.
Ituka mo na dyan, partner.
Wala man.
Oo. Yan ang taga General Santos. Kinakusgan na Kaditi. Yun, oh. Caramel caramel bars. Mm.
Ito, sir. Dalawa?
Isa lang siguro natin, sir.
Ha?
Isa lang.
Ang hirap kasi.
Welsh Rabbit.
Ha?
Welsh.
Girls.
Rabbit.
Nervous. Okay.
Welsh
Girls.
Rarebit. Rarebit.
Okay. Pitata.
Minute road mo lang, mga 10 minutes.
Bali ang bis niyan itlog.
Itlog.
Pangbitoy.
Parang cheese pa, style pero may
Cheese. Oh.
Pero yung
Yan yung mang patigas.
Try na nga ng please. Ralph kayo ha. Tapos hindi pa kayo yung table mo. Parang magsalita naman sa numbers. Pero hindi.
Bukas siya.
Ayun po.
Siyempre.
Dahil hindi lang siya favorite na. Okay po mga sir. Start na po tayo. Kapaliktad naman tayo. Start with group number 3.
Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon again. We are Group 3 representing. This is our second day. I'm Randy Villan again. Second book. I present with my partner, Quish Lorraine, Swan,
Kish Lorraine.
Basin Fred. In full grade. Ito po, yung meron po siyang ano.
Thank you, sir. Salamat.
And my partner.
Again, afternoon, I'm Adrian again from Model Electric. We prepare also vanilla cake and soft rolls.
Group 3 sila. Group 2, Group 1. Baliktad.
Group 1 tayo.
Muasa, vanilla sponge, butter cake,
Friday po sir.
Samuel's rare bit,
Ayun po.
Sample mga pala.
and fritata. All will free.
And Cook Nissen. And today we prepare French bread. This one. Rye bread. This one. And brownies.
Friday pa po.
Friday po po. And my partner, yes, I am the Picanya. We prepared today cabbage pie and clay bread. This morning daily short. Yes.
This is Group 1. We are presenting today what we did. Cook Palmito and Chico Claudio. Gluten-free bread. This one. Banana muffins. And sweet corn. And Chico.
And me also, I represent this kind of our bread national, Espandisal.
Thank you.
And then we got this chili con also,
Carne.
chili con carne,
Wow.
and caramel bar.
This one.
This one. And then we have also this Danish black. Two kinds of, we have the almond and this sunflower.
Of the products that you made earlier is going to be presented on Friday. So mga finishing like yung chocolate cake, yung sir gagawin natin siya, Black Forest on Friday. Okay, so bukas po, we are going to start at 9 a.m. so that you can sleep mas mahaba-haba. But make sure po that you are here early for the breakfast. And again po, ingat po tayo kasi parang dalawa po ata sa inyong hindi namin madulas kanina umaga.
Opo.
Kasi ikaw, tsaka isa pa.
Ako yun. Pero ginamit ko yung yung antis.
Okay po. So, mga sir, hindi ko na papatagalin pa. I know that you all want to rest now. So, sige po mga sir, bukas is seafood day. Okay? So we are going to make sure that you have enough food for tomorrow before natin siya i-sharon for the office because the office wants to request again to send the food to them. Okay po? So maraming salamat po. Palakpakan niyo po yung
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys. Salamat, sir.
Masulit, patawid na tayo bukas this Wednesday. So mga sir, pwede na pong kumain, mag-sharon, at pwede na po kayong umuwi. Just make sure po, mag-surrender uniform cap so that malabhan na po ni Lord.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Tikman ko lang.
Sa may,
Ay, hindi.